Hi, friends! Today we are looking at top 5 Android phones of 2025. The best Android phones come with years of software and security updates, great cameras, a powerful processor, and a long battery life. And every year we test dozens of Android smartphones to find the best smartphones you can buy. Here are our top Android phone picks. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Widely regarded as the best all-around Android flagship this year, huge 6.9-inch QHD plus 120Hz display, the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite, custom for Samsung, massive camera system including 200MP main sensor, and long-term software support. Why pick it? Premium build, feature-rich, including S Pen if you like stylus, excellent camera and screen. Trade-offs? Very expensive, large size. Some users feel certain AI features could be better. Number 2. Xiaomi 15 Ultra. A top camera-centric flagship with Leica-branded optics, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display, and strong reviews for photography. Why pick it? If ultra camera performance is your priority, this might be the winner. Trade-offs? Price still high? Xiaomi software updates and support may differ depending on region. Number 3. Google Pixel 9a. While not the super flagship, that would be something like Google Pixel 10, this one offers a very clean Android experience, solid cameras, and good value in 2025. Why pick it? Best for anyone who values software updates, clean UI, strong AI, and photo features from Google. Trade-offs? Slightly less flashy or higher-end hardware than the top tier, possibly fewer customization options for some. Number 4. Nothing Phone Pro. A less traditional pick, but interesting for its design and value flagship approach. While not always ranked at the very top, 2025 has seen more strong mid-high Android phones gain traction. Why pick it? If you want premium feel but don't want the ultra-top price, design stands out, good specs. Trade-offs? Might not match the absolute performance or camera of the first two picks. Software ecosystem and support might lag slightly. Number 5. OnePlus Nord CE5 5G. A strong value play in the Android ecosystem for 2025. Good hardware, decent camera and display, more affordable. Why pick it? If budget is tighter, but you still want a great phone that will last. Trade-offs? Some compromises. Charging speed, camera might not hit flagship levels, etc. My recommendation based on what you prioritize? Camera plus premium hardware? Go for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra or Galaxy S25 Ultra. Best software experience and long-term OS support? Go Pixel 9a or higher if budget allows. Design plus good specs but better price? Nothing Phone Pro? Budget-friendly but still solid? OnePlus Nord CE5 5G. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.